Hello there and how are you? Today I want to take you through on how to assemble mini chandelier. Watch until the end. First you have to go through the manual. Join all parts together as guided accordingly for a perfect outlook. You also need to have some electrical skills to enable you connect the electricity for lighting the chandelier. These skills are very important to avoid accidents and getting electrocuted. The outlook brings its beauty, elegancy. Just look up till the end for the perfect, amazing, beautiful lighting. Follow us for more. Thank you.